Well, the world's oldest male gorilla has COVID-19. Zoo Atlanta confirmed the news today about an outbreak of the virus there. 13 of the 20 gorillas are showing symptoms of COVID-19, including Ozzy, a 60-year-old male. Caitlin Ross spoke with the Senior Director of Animal Health about how they're caring for the sick.
Just a few months ago, Ozzy was eating cake to celebrate his 60th birthday at Zoo Atlanta. Now he's fighting COVID. He's the oldest living male gorilla in the U.S. and one of 13 at Zoo Atlanta to contract COVID-19.
Paying special attention to them. They're the ones that we consider to be at risk of developing more complications.
Senior Director of Animal Health, Dr. Sam Rivera, says the animals came down with the virus after Labor Day weekend.
Trying to stay optimistic. The clinical signs so far have been mild, runny noses, a little sneezing, some mild to moderate cough.
He says they think the gorillas got COVID from a member of their animal care team who is asymptomatic, though he says they're always cautious.
We always have required the keepers to wear a mask, face shields when they're cleaning, and gloves.
Dr. Rivera says the gorillas came down with COVID the same week the zoo got approval to give animals susceptible to the virus the vaccine.
As of an hour ago, actually, we have vaccinated our 10 orangutans, 3 lions, 2 tigers, and 1 clouded leopard.
He says they'll wait 10 to 14 days before giving the gorillas the vaccine. The animal version was developed for mink and is not available yet for domestic animals like cats and dogs. Dr. Rivera says their animals are used to being inoculated for different viruses.
So they come up to the mesh, they put their arm up, they get a treat, and then they get their shots. So they do fairly well.
He says they're watching all of their animals closely for signs of more severe COVID. But right now, he's cautiously optimistic all of the gorillas will recover just fine.
It's very touching, the fact that we can come together so quickly to help our animals.